Hi, welcome to TNT Tutoring. Today we'll be looking at the College Board's question of the day for February 18th, 2013. The question reads, if S is the set of positive integers that are multiples of 7, and if T is the set of positive integers that are multiples of 13, how many integers are in the intersection of S and T? First off, let's describe what set S looks like. Okay, it's the set of positive integers that are multiples of 7. So it'll be 7, 14, 21, and so on. Set T are positive integers that are multiples of 13. So it'll be 13, 26, 39, and so on. Now, at this point, some students might just give up and think, wow, it's going to take me forever to find something in the intersection of S and T. And let's just make it clear. If you're not familiar with the word intersection, intersection means elements that are in common between the two sets. Okay, so what we're really looking for in this question are elements that belong to S and also belong to T. All right, now let's think about it. How could we find our first intersection, assuming there is one? Well, it's actually quite easy. We could take 7 times 13. If we took 7 times 13, we would get 91. All right? And we could keep writing out multiples for each set. But let's stop and think for a minute. How did we get 91? We took 7 times 13, and if you will, times 1. So the next intersection point would be 7 times 13 times 2, which would give us 182. So the question you have to ask yourself is, how many times could I do this? Well, let's see. I could have 7 times 13 times 1, 7 times 13 times 2, 7 times 13 times 3. And I think you can see by this point, you could do this infinitely. So the correct answer choice here would be E, more than 13. Thank you for visiting TNT Tutoring.